Hey everybody, this is Brad from Johnson Small Engines. This is a recap of what happened on June 8th. And as you saw, this is me stuck in the shop. I actually couldn't even open the doors at this point. And just wanted to show you, the only thing that made it through this whole flood was that snowblower up on my lift. And everything else was just really bad. So at this point, all I could do was just wait until this thing was over. And what's coming up next here is what is the after effect from the day after. All right, so this is Wednesday the 9th. Walking into my shop, as you can see, my compressor there is actually upside down. All the machines on the right hand side were mine, and they're also ruined. Then I just wanted to show you the compressor. That's how much water came in, and obviously compressors are, they're top heavy, so it flipped over. This is the after effect with my customers' tractors, and it all came down to everybody was underwater. Transmissions in this case, engines in this case, are all flooded. That is the cabinet right there that we were taking out because it was compressed particle board, ruined everything, including that, which you'll see coming up here. Those are the customers' machines that are outside right now. This is, I think it was coming around the 10th or the 11th of June, and we were really getting going on getting this place cleaned up. So we started to really get this place cleaned up here and just going at it, getting everything out. We actually had the floor pressure washed at this point one time, and it was just so much inventory that just had to be cleaned out, and it was just a lot of work here. At this point, I decided that, we can't be here anymore, and everybody told me that I can't go through this again, and all the support from my customers was just unbelievable. I just can't believe my customers, my YouTubers, my family. I can't thank you guys all enough. As you can see, we're loaded up there, and we're ready to get out of this place. We've been looking for about a week and a half now to get in our place. I just wanted to update everybody. Today's Wednesday, June 23rd. We are still looking for a place at the moment. I do have something out there that I could possibly get into, but I still want to keep looking, and thank you so much for all the support that's allowing me to do this, to look for another place. I will try to keep you guys as posted as I can, and thank you for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.